So hello everyone, welcome back to the Codersarts. So in previous video we have created the retrofit instance and the API service, okay, and also set up all the libraries, and we also created the post data class as well. So in this video we are going to create the adapter for our recycler view, that the data that we are getting here, and we have to create UI for the card view, UI for the for showing our list data. So let's see how we can create it and how we can use it. So we have to create a class name called as the post adapter. So what we have to do, we have to just click on first of all we have to close all the files here, okay, and then after we have to click on new, and then we have to click on Kotlin class. So in this class we have to create the class name as a post adapter. Post adapter. Okay, so in this we have to create the post adapter here. Okay, so in this adapter class we have to inherit the recycler view adapter, and then after we have to create a view holder class as well. So let's get started. So we have to create a constructor first of all, so that we can instantiate it, which is a private val post, such as a list of posts. Okay, so then we have to inherit the class name and recycler view dot adapter, and then we have to pass the view holder. So what is the view holder here? It is the post adapter post view holder dot post view holder. So we have to create a class name which is known as the post view holder, and then we have to use it. Okay, so first of all we have to implement some method here, like we have to change the convert construction. We have to create a class called as the post view holder. So in the post view holder we have to write a class, okay, and then after we have some more error, we have to change the construction. We have to import the recycler view, so we can import it here. We have to remove this one, and then we have to implement all the member function here. Okay, so just click on OK, and we have created all the things. So in class post view holder we have to separate it and make it on the bottom. Okay, so in this view holder we have to just write something which is the item view. We have to pass it pass the something which is known as the item view. So we have to use a constructor here, just item view, and which is a view type object. Okay, and we also need to inherit something. What we have to inherit? We have to inherit a recycler view holder. So recycler dot view holder. Okay, so in this recycler view holder we have to pass the item view. Okay, so we have created all the things, and we have some more error here. So this type of constructor just must be initialized here. So we need to add some constructor here as well. Okay, so everything is fine, and we have created the class called the post view holder. We also overrided all the methods here. So then we have to write the some logic for this, and what we have to do, we have to just write, first of all we have to write the view holder things. So in this we have to create some title and body. So we are getting the ID, so we have to show the title and the body in our adapter. So how we can do it? We have to create some variable here. So what is the variable here? Val title equal to text view. like title, which is a text view here. Okay, text view, and we have to use the item view here, equal to item view dot find view by id. Okay, so we have to pass the id here, and we have to pass it for the body as well. So first of all, we have to create the UI first, then this is the body. Okay, so we have created two more variable here, and we have to control A, control Alt plus L for reformatting the code. Okay, so we have to pass the id here that we have to create it. So now what we have to do, we have to use the layout inflator, or inflating the layout called as the item post. Okay, so we have to create the card view first, and then we have to use this UI here. So what we have to do, we have to create a new variable called as val view equal to layout inflator dot inflate dot like from. We have to pass the context, which is a parent dot context, and then we have to inflate our code. So inflate r dot layout dot item underscore post. So, and then we have to pass the parent, and then we have to pass the boolean variable as well, so which is false. Okay, so we don't need to attach to the read, so we have attached to the false. So we have to create this thing in our layout folder. So just click on this and create this on the layout folder. Okay, so here our error getting resolved. Then after, we have to inflate this UI. How we can do it? We can do it by using the return statement. Okay, so return post view holder, sorry, we have to return the post view holder which with the view. Okay, so we are passing the view here, and we are just using this on our for instance our card view, and then we have to use this one, which is post dot size. Okay, so we have to return the post dot size. We have to remove this to do, and we have to remove this to do as well. Then we have to bind our data. How we can bind it? We have to create some more variable. Okay, so which is var post equal to post position, and then holder dot title dot text equal to post dot title, and holder dot body dot text equal to post dot title dot body. Okay, so we are just need to create this UI first, and then after we have to go to it. So how we can do it? We have to just press Control and move to this file. So here we have to create the layout for showing our data. So we are just changing it for the linear layout. Okay, so in this we have to give the orientation as well, which is vertical. Okay, and we are also using some padding as well. So padding is 16 dp. Then after, we have to create two text view here. Okay, so text view, which is match parent, width will be the match parent, and the height will be the wrap content. Then we have to pass a id here, which is @id and tv title. Okay, and then we have to use the text style, which is bold. Okay, and we have to use the text size, which is 18 sp. Okay, and we have to close this brace. Then we also need to create a body here, so just copy paste this code. Okay, and you have to change this to the body id body. Okay, and change this to the 16 sp, and text style will be not a good thing here, so then we have to use some padding from top, which is a 16 dp. We have to select it and format it. Okay, so we have written the code of the xml as well as the posted after. So then we have to initialize it here. Dot id dot tv title, and then we have to pass r dot id dot tv body. So we have initialized both of the things, and then we have to check everything is perfect or not. So we have created the post adapter. So in this video we have learned how to create the adapter class for a recycler view, and we also created the diagram for it and UI diagram for it. And so that's all for this video. In next video we are going to set up the main activity and use the recycler view and call the API for getting the data. So thank you very much.